Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called A Tiger Like Me by Michael Engler, illustrated by Joelle Torlonis, translated by Laura Watkinson. Even before the first ray of sunshine lights in the sky, one animal is already stirring. In the tiger's den, two eyes blink sleepily. The peaceful night is over because the king of the forest is awake. Then the first ray of sunshine falls on my soft sleeping place. I yawn and I stretch. I flex my muscles and test my claws. Calmly and quietly, then I fill my lungs with air and I roar as loud as I can. Roar! 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 Because I am a tiger, a wide awake tiger. Cold water and slippery soap must never touch my beautiful fur, and brushes and combs are not good for tigers. I have to get away from the bathroom. I need to run, but Mom is guarding the door, and she blocks my escape route. So I duck so sleek, so smooth, so smart, and I dash past her hands, because I am a tiger, a super fast tiger. Tigers always need a good breath. It always makes us powerful and strong. And I leap up to my feeding spot. Where my tiger appetite, I devour my tiger flakes and drink a big glass of blood orange juice. I crunch and munch just like a tiger, and then I'm ready for a new adventures, because I am a tiger, a greedy, gusty tiger. My sharp tiger eyes spot a great hiding place deep in the depths of the forest. I sneak into my hideaway as quietly as only a tiger can. As soon as I am invisible, Mom comes along. I'll give her up a fright. This is going to be fun. But then it gets dark and really scary. This isn't a hideaway. It's a trap. The trap snaps shut, holds me, and in its grip, I shout for help. I wriggle and I struggle, but it only makes things worse. Oh no! Just in time, Tiger Mom comes to the rescue. She grabs my paws and pulls me out of the nasty, bitten trap. Because I am a tiger, a clumsy, klutzy tiger. Now I want to go out into the open air. There's snow on the plains outside. I pull my winter tiger coat and my soft tiger hat to warm my ears. Time to go into the snow. Hurry for tiger fun. Snow sprays out from under my tiger paws. Icicles rattle with my big tiger roars. My fiery breath turns the air into smoke, and my tiger tongue catches snowflakes in midair. I jump and pounce, I roll and fall, but I don't hurt myself, not one bit. Winter is so wonderful for a tiger like me, because I am a tiger, a whirling, swirling tiger. When my stomach starts to rumble, I prowl back into the house looking for food. I know I'll find some tiger prey in the kitchen. Quietly purring, I lurk in the shadows of the table and chair. No one can see me now. Then I jump onto the chair in a single leap. I look at the table. I can't believe my luck. Right in front of me, a great, big, tasty tiger cake. I smile and flash my teeth, because I'm a tiger, a hungry, hungry tiger. Later, I paint my face black and orange and quietly creep up on Dad. He's hiding behind the newspaper. He says he needs some peace and quiet. Tigers don't like peace and quiet. So I stalk the door to sofa. I take a very big breath, then I jump at Dad with a great big roar. The newspaper rips and Dad howls. His face turns white and then red red as a raspberry. Dad jumps up. He's a hunter now. He tries to catch me. He wants to trap me, but his hand just swipes at my tail. I'm way too fast for him, because I'm a tiger, a wild and wary tiger. He sends me to my room, but that's fine by me. I build a den out of chairs and blankets, where it's soft and dark and safe. It's a perfect hideaway for tigers. No one will ever find me because I'm a tiger, a clever, cunning tiger. In the evening, Tiger Mom, Tiger Dad, and of course Tiger me are sitting together on the wild carpet and having so much fun. We are folding and tying and sticking and painting and cutting with scissors and paper and glue, with pencils and ribbons and clay. What are we making? What do you think? Tigers, 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 because I'm a tiger, a crafty, creative tiger. Tigers don't need to brush their teeth. That's just for human children. Brushing teeth is bad for tigers. All that frothing foam, that's not good for their fangs. And tiger paws aren't made to hold toothbrushes. Plus, tigers can't stand on their two back legs for long. I shake my head and dig in my claws because I'm a tiger, a growling, yowling tiger. It got dark away too soon today. I'm still full of tiger zip. Dad sends me to my sleeping place, but I'm not sleepy. My ears are listening and I'm watching the light in the hallway when the floorboards creak and the shadows dash across the floor. When the sheets in the big bedroom rustle, I know that the best part of my tiger day is here because I'm a tiger, a wide-awake tiger. I sneak into my tiger parents' den, snuggle in between them, and let them give me a cuddle. It smells so good, and it's so nice and warm. Tiger Dad strokes my shaggy fur. Tiger Mom rests her paw on my tummy. As soon as I fall asleep, thinking about how great is it to be a tiger. Because I'm a tiger, a cuddly, snuggly tiger. The tiger returns to his den, where he lies down, worn after a long, exciting day in the forest on the plain. Everything's finally silent. The tiger shuts his eyes and dreams. So that's the end of the book, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!